Here is basic instructions on how to disassemble and assemble the Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker. Note that on the sides, this side and on this side, there's push clasps. First, take off the side cap. Then gently push these two tabs and lift. Then on the sides, you can grip the bowl right here and lift. And this goes in the freezer. The next attachment, you just push this button down and shift to the right, and it unhooks. And this one you lift and slide out. And now to assemble it back together. Down at the bottom, you see a little lip. It fits in there. Push the button, and it slides in. And now for the next attachment. That slides in as well. Then you put the freezer bowl, and you want to slightly twist it into place, and you'll hear it fall into place. And the last part is the lid. Ta-da! And the lid for the toppings just sits in its place right there. And there you go.